In this how-to video, you'll learn how to manage and add new thread feed sources in Log360. Navigate to Event Log Analyzer, the log management component of Log360. Click the Settings tab and then click Thread Management. Under the STIX TAXII Thread Feeds tab, you will find the list of thread feed servers present in Log360. You can add a new thread feed server by clicking the Add New Server button. Enter the display name, URL, username, and password of the server. You can click the Test Connection link to verify the entered credentials. Select the date during which you want to poll the thread feeds. Specify the frequency for thread feed polling using the Schedule drop-down menus. Click Add Server. You will see the thread feed server listed on the STIX TAXII thread feeds page. You can enable or disable the server, edit the server details, and delete the server using the respective icons provided for the server. You can view the polling details in the Activity Logs pane. Select the required server name from the Select Server drop-down menu to check its activity logs. For further details and assistance, please contact our technical support team. Thanks for watching.